Hello, Blaze. Where's Tomkin?
He's approaching midfield. He fakes a defender.
There you are, Cowboy.
Dribbles past two. Just unstoppable. Final shot.
Wait a minute, Tomkin. Think about this.
For the win!
Incoming, Blaze! Feeling better?
Not really.
I bet. Any idea why this happened?
'Cause Blaze moved.
Actually, I think it was due to a bad decision, Cowboy.
Huh?
Our decisions have consequences, but I have the perfect remedy for it. Prudence.
Is that medicine?
It's a virtue, a good habit, and it's one of the 4 cardinal virtues. Prudence helps us to think carefully in order to make good decisions.
How?
3 steps. Think, decide, and act. First, we think about the situation, pray about it, and get good advice. Then decide what to do or not to do, and finally, act on it. Do what you decided to do.
Oh, I should have been prudent.
Live and learn, Cowboy.
Wait. Prudence. I will rest.
Good call, Tomkin. Until next time, remember the virtue of prudence. Think, decide, and
act.
That's right. Bye now.